I did. I started recording.
Okay. You finish it before you leave the meeting.
Yes,
okay?
I know. I stop my mic
Okay,
now.
Badr. Yeah, you can. Badr.
Mister, your camera is not it's not good.
Now.
Yeah, it's better.
Good. Remove your hand now. Remove your hand, mister. Okay, guys, let's start. I need to start now. We only have 40 minutes, so I need to start. Now, guys, before we start the lesson, we have introduction here. To understand the lesson, we need to understand this introduction here. Now we have this table, and this table has two values, x and y, and each value has, each variable, sorry, has values for it. Now, here, 2 and 3, 2 is related to 3, 4 related to 6, 1 related to 5. Means if x equal 4, then y equals 6. If x equal 2, then y equal 3, and go on. Now, guys, we have something we call it ordered pairs. Ordered pairs like a brackets like this one, parentheses, and the first part here always for x, and the second part here always for y. And we put the numbers inside here. 2, 3 is 2 and the 3, like this. This is common. Okay? This is, we call it ordered pair. Always started with x and finished with y. The second ordered pair, 4 and 6. So 4 and 6. We don't say 6 and 4. No, we say 4 and 6. Now 1 and 5, it's 1 and 5. So we have in this table 3 ordered pairs. These things here, we call them ordered pairs. This table, like the table of ratios, we took them in the previous lessons. Now, after we make these ordered pairs, guys, we make something, we call it coordinate plane. Coordinate plane like this one. This is the x-axis, we call it x-axis. The horizontal, we call it x-axis. The vertical, we call it y-axis. And here we put numbers as much as we can, as much as we want or we need for the question. So here the questions, the biggest number here is 6. So I can put 6s here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? After that, we can make something, we call it plotting the point, the ordered pairs. The ordered pairs. Plotting the ordered pairs. We can plot this point here. How? To plot 2 and 3 on this coordinate plane, guys, we always go to 2, then to 3. Means we always go to x, then up to the y. Always x, then y. Not y, then x. This is wrong. X, then y. So 2 to 3, or 2 and 3, to plot this point here, we go to the 2 in the x-axis and up until we have the 3 and put over the 2 until we have the 3 and put a point here. Now, to plot 4 and 6, guys, to plot 4 and 6, we go to the 4 up until we get the 6. This is the 6. So we go to the 4 up until we get the 6. To plot 1 and 5, we go to the 1, not this one for the y. We go to the 1 for the x. 1 and go up until we get 5 here. So this is 1 and go up until you get 5 and put your point. These points, guys, represents these ordered pairs. So we call this operation plotting the points in the coordinated plane. Okay, guys? Any questions about this idea? Any questions about this idea? Any questions about this idea? Abdul Hamid.
Mister, I did not understand.
Okay, 2 and 3, Mister. How يلا. How we plot 2 and 3? We go to X
What
first,
plot
then Y.
means?
Plot means putting this ordered pair here.
Yes, okay.
Plot means to put the ordered pair, which we get it from the table, on the
Yes.
coordinate plane. This we call it coordinate
We will
plane.
write
Okay?
1, 2, 3, yes?
No, these numbers, it's optional. In your book, they are written already. Okay?
Yes.
But this is an idea, introduction, before we go to the examples and the questions in the book. So to
Okay.
plot 2 and 3, we go to X, then Y. So this is the X2, and go up until you get the 3Y and put your point.
I understand it, I understand it.
Good. Now guys, Hisham. Yes, Hisham.
Close my mic or leave it?
Mute it, Habibi, mute it. After you finish, you mute your mic. Yes, Hisham.
I was late. Can you make the question again?
This is not a question, this is introduction for our lesson. And you came late, it's your problem. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, I will repeat for you, Hisham. Look here. Look. See the board?
Yes.
Yeah. How we plot this 4 and 6? See the 4 and 6? This is, we call it ordered pair. How we plot it here? Plot means make points like these, okay? We go to the 4, then we go to the 6. The 4 in X, this is X, and this is Y, always. Always we start X, then Y. This is the 4 in X, right?
Yes.
Go up until you get 6 in Y. Hi, 6 in Y, see it?
Yes.
So I put my point. For example, if I want to plot 4 and 3, where I will go first, Hisham?
4 and 3, I will go to the point.
Where? Tell me, where? Which number here? In X or Y will you start?
And X.
In X. Which number in X?
4.
4. Then?
We'll move up until X.
Until what?
X.
Which X, semester? Move up until what? I will move up. Where I will stop?
At the point.
Which point? Which point, Habibi? Which point? This is 4 in X. I will go up. Where I will stop? Do you know?
No.
4 related with what 4? Look here. Yabni, look here. 4 related with what?
With 3.
So I will start from 4 and go up until I get what in the y-axis?
3.
3. This is a 3. See it?
Yeah.
So I will go from 4 until I find the 3 and put point here. Got it?
Yeah.
Understand it?
Yes.
Good. Now let's go to the examples of the book. Now go to the book, guys, and open your books page. Open your books page, sorry. Page 24. Yeah, we'll do example 1, page 24. Example 1, page 24. Example 1, page 24. All of you guys, take a look to your book now. Okay. Who can read the example, guys? I want someone to read the example. Yalla, Yusuf Tamer. Yusuf.
Yes.
Yalla, read.
Tamara is making charm bracelets for several friends. She uses 6 beads for every charm.
Wait. Guys, like the previous lesson, you need to understand the question so you can solve. The question said Tamara used 6 charms for each one ish beads, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, 6 beads for every one charm. So I need to make a table here, and the table is already existing in front of you. Take a look to the table. they wrote here the charms under of it X and the beads under of it Y. Continue. For 6 charms, sorry, for each one charm, we have 6 beads. This is from the question. Continue.
Generate the
Continue.
set of ordered pairs for the relationship between the number of beads Y and the number of charms X for a
Hi, the
total
number
of
of
1,
beads
2, 3.
Y, the number of beads Y, and the number of charms X. Continue.
For a total of 1, 2, 3, and 4 charms.
But
Then
wait.
grab the
There are a total of 1, 2, 3, or 4 ish charms. They wrote them. Continue.
Then graph the relationship.
Then we graph it. خلاص. Thank you. So each one gets 6. Top 2, who can tell me the 2 get what? If 1 gets 6, the 2 get what? Who can tell me, guys?
Can I answer?
لا ويوسف خلاص you read. I want another student. يلا. If 1 gets 6, the 2 get what? عمر علاء.
Yes, mister.
If 1
The
gets
two.
6, 2 get what?
The 2 get 12.
Excellent. If 1 gets 6, the 2 get 12. So write with me 12 here, guys. يلا. طيب. If 2 get 12, the 3 get what? Who can tell me? Ziyad. Ziyad.
Mister, your camera is lagging.
Mr. Lagging depends on the internet
Yes,
connection, not me. Okay?
It's better.
طيب. Suleiman.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Suleiman. If 1 gets 6, 2 get 12. 3 get what?
18.
Come?
18.
18. Excellent. طيب. If 3 get 18, 4 get what, guys? Who can tell me? Amir.
24.
Excellent. 24. This we call it in the previous lesson, guys, we call it equivalent ratios. How the 1 get 2? By multiplying with 2. So we will do the same here. And how the 1 be 3? Multiply with the 3. So we do the same for the 6. Or we can add it 6 always here. We will get the same answer. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 18, plus 6 24. This is not apart from the solution, so we don't need it. Now, after we make our table here, we will make what? Our ordered pairs. We have 4 ordered pairs here. 1 with 6, had the 1 with 6. 2 with the 12, 2 with the 12. 3 with 18, 3 with 18. Guys, if you don't have questions, remove your hand. 4 with the 24, 4 with the 24. Okay, now we are ready for graphing. They already graphed the example under the table, guys. See the graph under the table? You have something like this. I will try to graph it on the board as much as I can. Okay, you have something like this under the table. See it? Down we have numbers 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here they wrote number of charms. And here the beads for the Y. This is X always, and this is Y always. Now, the numbers for the Y, they wrote 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I'll write them here. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, Y 27, زيادة. They jumped by 3s here, guys. It's okay. It's okay. But who can tell me here, where is the number 7? We don't have 7 here, right? We don't have 7. Where is 7 here? Who can tell me where is 7? Marwan. Marwan, where is 7?
Between 6 and 9.
So the 7 here is hidden, guys, but it's exists, but it's hidden. The 7 is between 6 and 9, so the 7 is here, So if we need 7, we can use it. Okay, guys? So here, where is the 17? The 17 is closer to 18. The 19 closer to 19. So these are okay by threes, but all the numbers are here. Okay, so don't worry if you don't have your own number. Now let's plot. Thank you, Marwan. Let's plot these points, guys. If you don't understand this and you don't understand the example, here you can understand the plotting here. Now 1 with 6, guys, we go to the 1 in X and go up until I get 6. So I go to the 1 and up until I get 6. This is the first point. It's already done in your book, guys, here. It's already done, okay? So you don't do anything, just fill the numbers. Now 2 and 12, this is 2, go up until you get a 12. هذه 2, اطلع until you get the 12. Here 3 and 18, this is a 3, go up until you get the 18. See, قبال ال 18, huh? Opposite to 18. Now 4 with the 24, this is 4. Go up until you get the 24. This is here. So this is 4, add the 24. This is our plotting of these points related to this table. Okay, guys? Now, quickly, let's do the check. It's not done. The check, the question of the check under this example, we will do it together, guys. Prepare yourself. Give me 1 second to erase the board, please. And prepare your pencil so we will do it on the board, on the box, not on the copy box, on the box. Yalla, who can read, guys? Who can read? Give me a second, please. Check. Page 24. Yeah, I want someone to read, guys. Okay. جندي. يلا يا جندي. روح. Wait يا جندي. محمد wait حبيبي wait. Guys, all of you take a look to the check in your book, page 24. If you don't have a book, try to focus with us as much as you can. And we will solve the question on the book, not the copy book. We don't need the copy book today. يلا go يا مروان. Read. محمد read.
Ken's Home Supply sells fencing that costs $14 for
Hello.
every 3 feet. For $14. For every 3 feet generates the set of orders pairs for the relationship between the cost Y and the number of feet of fencing X.
Bas, wait. We need to make our table, guys. The question said, it's not from me, read the question. The cost is Y, and the fencing feet is X. This is the question, right? The question tells us what we bought in the Y and what we bought in the X. And at the first they said, if we have 1, the cost will be 14. Read the question again from the first. The question said, Ken's Home Supply sells fencing that costs $14 for every 3 feet, not 1 feet, 3 feet. Sorry, I get a mistake. So the question said for every 3 feet, the cost is 14. Down, they want the question to make the table for the feet 3, 6, 9, or 12. We already have the 3. Here I put the 6, 9, and the 12. So every 3 is 14. Who can tell me what's the 6? You can make this table, guys, besides here, besides the question. Make the table besides the question. Yalla, this is the table. Make it بسرعة.
Okay.
Guys, if you don't have questions, remove your hands. Thank you. Yeah, we make the table. Now, if a 3 gives 14, we need to fill the table now. How much 6 get? Who can tell me? If a 3 gets 14, how much 6 gets? Huh? I will choose now. I'll choose. Abdul Rahman Sayyid.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, if a 3 gets 14, how much 6 gets?
28.
Excellent. Top. Thank you, Abdul Rahman. If 6 gets 28, how much 9 gets? Who can tell?
1.
لا ما تحكي عبد الرحمن. Let's choose another one. يلا put a hands guys, put a hands so I can choose you. مدور. عمر. عمر.
Yes, mister.
يلا يا عمر. 9, how much get 9?
9.
If 6, 3 get 14, 6 get 29 as Abdul Rahman said. طب 9, what we are doing here? What we are doing here?
We make it, we multiply it.
No, not we multiply.
We make it multiply by 2.
Multiply by 2. Then multiply by what?
3.
يلا كم 14 multiply 3?
8. 50.
اي غششتك ها كم؟
42.
42. Now the last one guys, if 9 gets 42, how much the 12 gets? Who can tell? Iyad Zulali, where are you? Here are you. يلا. Iyad.
Me?
Yes, you. How are you, Iyad?
Fine.
يلا, can you tell me how much the 12 get here?
It gets to there into where? That one into there.
ماشي. 3 get 14, 6 get 28, 9 get 42. The 12.
Gets
Look here. How much? See it?
58.
56.
56.
Excellent boy. Thank you, Iyad. Thank you, Habibi. So how we get to 56 guys? By multiplying with 4, or we add 14 in each time. That's all. Now we prepare the table. We don't need these arrows here. This table, you should put it beside the check question in your book. And now let's what? Make our ordered pairs under the check. Under the check, you have a space here, guys. You have a space here. You can put the ordered pairs. Yeah, let's do the ordered pairs. 3 with 14, 6 with 28, 9 with 42. Put the ordered pairs, guys. Write with me. 12 with 56. Write the ordered pairs, please. Write the ordered pairs. Now, what we will do, guys? Who can tell me now what we will do? Now, what we will do after we finish the ordered pairs? Now, Bardawil. Ahmed Bardawil.
Sir, I have a question.
What?
We said if we why it is 56? We should not.
Because here we add 14 always. Plus 14. Plus 14.
I
Add here
thought
14. You will get 56. Got it?
okay.
Else, but after we make these ordered pairs, what we need to do now, yeah, to finish the question?
So we have to make the.
We will make this, right? Which is the graph, which is
The graph. I know
graph.
it.
Now, besides here, guys, this one here, you have the order, sorry, you have the coordinate plane already done. Now, we will do them together, guys, but sorry here, I cannot get it more clear. So I will try to do it on the board as much as I can. يا مرحبا بك الله. يلا guys. Prepare yourself, so we will put the points. Do not do this. It's already done in your book.
Sir, your voice is lagging.
Now here put numbers and here they put numbers. I know, mister. It depends on your internet. يلا. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
My internet is 5G.
Me too, mister. Me too. Yeah, I will put the numbers here. Down they wrote feet of fencing. Here, feet of fencing. And here the cost, total cost. Do not do this. It's already done in your book. I'll put the numbers here and the numbers here. The numbers down we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And the numbers here, they wrote 0, 3, 6, 9, they added the 3's. So here 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, روح. Now, we don't need 30 and 33 because we don't have here a number. No, we need. We have 56. Let me check. Oh, no, by 5. Sorry. I get mistakes. I make them by 3's, but they by 5's, not by 3's. Sorry. I need to erase it. Now, here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Look here, I need 56, so the numbers should include the 56. Now, we will plot these points here. Who can help me in the plotting 3 and 14? Who can help me in the plotting 3 and 14? يلا كناكرية محمد.
Yes, mister.
يلا. How we plot 3 and 14 here?
3 and 14. Between 2 and 4.
Wait, there is no 3 guys here, right? In x-axis, we said always x, then y. Always x, then y. But in the x, there is no 3. But the 3 is here, it's hidden. It's hidden. This is the 3. So I'll point on a 3, then I will go up until I get what, Muhammad?
14. Between 15 and
but we don't have 14. Here, we don't have 14. The 14 is under the 15. Not closer to 10, it's closer to 15. So it's approximated. I will go from 3 until, which is between 2 and 4, exactly at the middle, until under the 15, not 15, under the 15, and put my point here. Do it in your book now. Do it in your book. 3 up under the 15 a little bit and put your point. But who can help me with 6 and 28? Yalla. I'll choose 6 and 28. Yalla, I want new students, guys. Some of you يعني طيب. Sammar, Ahmad, do you hear me? Ahmad. طيب. معاذ. معاذ.
Yes.
Yes, Muad. Can you help me with 6 and 28, how we can plot it here? Hello?
What?
Focus, Habib, focus. 6 and 28. How we plot it here in the coordinate plane? Yalla, help me.
Mister, I don't have the book.
طيب, do you understand the idea here?
Yes.
Yeah, we have 6 and 28. How we will plot it here?
6.
Mister, do you understand the lesson?
Yes.
طيب, tell me how we put 6 and 28 here. Mister, talk. What happened with you? Talk, Habibi, talk. Hello? Okay, Mr. Muad, please focus with us and be active more. I'll choose another, Jad. Jad.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, Mister. 6 and 28. How I will put it here?
The 28 is between 25 and 30.
حلو، خليها ل 28 بس احنا ما بنروح على 28 بالأول.
From 6 to 28.
You talk about 6 first. Where is the 6? In X or Y?
X.
In X, this is 6. It's already exist here. Then we'll go up until we get what?
Between 25 and 30.
Sorry, there is no 28. It's between 25 and 30. But it's close, thank you, Jad. But it's close to 30. So I'll go from 6 until I get a number less than 30. So I'll go from 6 until less than 30, not 30, less than 30. This is our point. From 6, go up, less than 30 a little bit. It's a 28, it's hidden. But 9 and 42. Guys, plot them in your book here. Okay? Now, 9 and 42. Who can help me with 9 and 42? Yalla. It's easy, guys. It's easy. Yalla. New students, please. Bye. Amr, yalla.
Yes, mister.
Yalla. We have 9 and 42, ya Amr.
9 is between 8 and 10.
There is no 9 guys here, so I'll choose it's hidden. It's between 9 and 10 exactly. And we have 42.
42 is between 45 and 40.
So it's closer to 40, not to 45, right?
Yeah.
So I'll go up, guys, until I get
42.
more than 40, a little bit, not so much. It's closer to, yani, for example, here, here. Not here, not here, it's approximated. So this is the 9, and I go up over 40 a little bit, The last point here, guys, 12 and 56. Thank you, Amr. 12 and 56, who can tell? I want new students, please. Badr. Badr?
Yes, mister.
Yalla, can you help me with the last one here?
Yes.
Yalla, 12 and 56. Where I will go?
After 10 by 2. I mean,
sorry. Here, guys, I have 10. So I can take a little bit because here I add 2's, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I can put a 12 here, right? Now this is the 12 for the X. And how about the 56?
More than 55 by a little bit.
Here, guys, the 56 is here. More than 55 a little bit. So I'll go from 12. Exactly. I'll go from 12 up until I get more than 55 a little bit. Like this one. This is a 12. I go up more than 55 a little bit. Do it, guys, on your here you should put the ordered pairs. Here you put the table, and here you plot the points. Guys, this is the lesson of graphing. Your homework is on page. Please select your homework. Do not ask me, what's the homework, mister? Yeah, your homework, page 27, guys. Page 27, questions 1 and 2. I'll write them here. Page 27, questions 1 and 2. Do them on the book. Do them on the book. And make a picture for it, send it on Classera. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. Abdul Hamid, you can stop the recording now.
Mr.